Hey everybody, Kathy Gruver here coming to you from Santa Barbara, California. Hey, it's getting close and I am so excited to join you all at the UK Hypnosis Convention. This will be, I think, my third year and I'm going to be speaking again. I will be speaking the Friday afternoon. I think it's 2:45 time slot on building a values-based practice. And one of the reasons I'm so excited to share this with you, first of all, I've never done this workshop for anybody. So this is exclusive content just for you in the UK. So hoping you'll join us. So what we're going to cover is this is going to be a very hands-on workshop. It's going to get down and dirty. You're going to figure out your values, not only for your practice, but also for your relationships and your life. So the extra bonus is you're going to get some personal self-growth out of it too. And once you know what your values are, that informs your decisions moving forward. It informs how you build your practice, how you advertise your practice, how you are in your practice. And especially if you're at a crossroads, if you're looking to shift gears, if you're looking to expand what you do and offer, this is the perfect workshop for you. And again, we're going to be talking about your personal values as well. So you're going to get a lot of personal growth and evolution out of it too. And the convention itself, spectacular, amazing hotel, the breakfasts rock. There's the gala Saturday night, Friday night, they're showing a film on hypnosis, and it's going to be an amazing time. So hope to see you all there. I will see you there Friday for building your value-based practice, tapping into your values, who you are, what you want, and how you can do that moving forward. So we'll see you in November. Be well, be prosperous, be fabulous, and I'll see you in November.